Advanced n8n workflows, the ultimate Zapier alternative. Now, most people use automation tools to save their time, but what if you could build systems that actually run work for you? Now, in this video, I'll show you advanced n8n workflows that actually replace tools like Zapier and give you your full control that you need. So, by the end of this video, you're not only going to understand how to build advanced workflows in n8n, but you're also going to know how to connect APIs, integrate AI, and create real automation systems used in business and content creation. So, to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to sign up with n8n. So, to create an account, you're going to come here where they're going to ask you for your company email. So, I'm simply going to go ahead and write mine in. And once we write our email in, what happens from there is we're going to go ahead and submit. And once you submit, it sends you a verification email, which should reach your inbox in the matter of seconds. So we're simply going to come up over here, go to our email. Once you go to your email right here, you can see we have the verification code right here. So I'm simply going to go ahead and copy that, come here, we're going to paste it, submit. And as you can see, we're good to go. Now it says finish creating your account. So you can go ahead and add your full name according to yourself. Then you can set your password and then write your account name as well. Now, once we've done that, we're simply going to hit start 14-day free trial. And that's one of the greatest things about n8n is that you don't really need to have a full-fledged account with a paid plan. You can start on a free trial and see if it is for you. So just answer these onboarding questions. What size is your company? I'm going to go with only me. What team are you on? Let's go with sales. And it says, which of these do you feel comfortable doing? Let's go with using SQL to query a database. And how did you hear about NAN? Let's go with Google and hit submit. So once all of this is done, it's going to go ahead and take you straight into your onboarding dashboard. Now, while that happens, let's talk about why n8n actually beats Zapier. Now, let's be honest, Zapier is quite fun and easy, but it is limited. n8n gives you full customization, self-hosting options, and advanced logic to work with. You're not just connecting apps, you're basically building a whole logic system. That's the difference between basic automation and real full-fledged big boy workflows. Now let's go ahead and understand advanced workflow logic. Now here is where things are actually going to level up. In n8n, you don't just connect steps, you basically control logics. So if I were to go into an n8n worker, we're going to go and start from scratch. It's going to bring us into the mind map. I'm going to click on first step and let's add a trigger manually step. Now here, the branches that we can actually create are crazy because in this, let's say I'm going to add my very own step over here. So here's our first step. Now in this, what you can do is you can actually add if conditions and other. So let's say I'm going to go over here in data manipulation. Let's go code in Python. And if I want to go ahead and connect these nodes, you can create a connection out of it. So let's say I'm going to create a connection, put it here. And that basically allows us to go ahead and get an if condition. So these are if nodes. Then there's also split workflows where you can create two workflows in one mind map. And then there's loop through data as well, where data is obviously looped back into the same node that it is flowing from. And of course, these are things that make your workspace, work better. So just like that, you can clear the loop through data as well. And this means your automation can basically make decisions and not just follow its own instructions. Think of it like proper programming with heavy coding, but obviously minus the coding. Now, moving on, what you can do is you can also use webhooks and triggers. Now, webhooks are where real automations actually begin. They allow external applications to trigger your workflow instantly. So for example, if I'm going to come here, let's go over here to form. So in form, we have tons and tons of forms over here. Let's go with Google Sheets, shall we? And once we write down sheets, let's say over here, there is some spreadsheet created. Right now, a sheet submission is going to trigger n8n and it could go ahead and start a whole automation with any type of AI. So, what is the webhook in this case? The webhook in this case is if you open this up, you can connect your documents, and that is your whole webhook that is going to connect with the new AI automation. This makes your workflow dynamic and in super real time. Okay. And it's really smooth to work with as well. And that's the best part about it. Moving on, you can integrate different types of AI into n8n as well. So to make it powerful, you can connect n8n with AI tools to, generate your content, analyze data, and even respond to users. So if we come here and click on AI templates to work with, like AI Agent, Anthropic, Google Gemini, Guardrails, OpenAI, Basic LLM Chain, and so much more. Now, these are all things that make your AI, work worthy and something to actually have fun with. So let's say if I go over to OpenAI, I can message a model, classify text for violation, analyze images, generate an image, generate audio, delete a file. So, all these things are something that you can do through automation. Create a new lead, send it to AI, generate an image, email sent automatically, etc. So, this basically allows your automation to not just reactivate, but become intelligent as well. Moving on, if you want to work with APIs, you get unlimited integrations. This is where most people will stop, but you should not. Because with APIs, you can connect to almost anything. Even if there's no built-in integration, you send requests, receive data, and process it. This removes limitations completely. Moving on, you can also build real workflows. It's a proper step-by-step process where you can, go ahead and create a webhook. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and search webhook over here. Now, once you add the webhook, you can add the webhook however you want. The usual method is the get method. Once that is done, make sure to add a step into it. So let's say I'm going to go over to data transformation, and let's go with, run a code in JavaScript. Moving from that, you can call in any AI. So let's say Gemini, and Gemini is going to analyze the document for me. And finally, from there, what we can do is once the document is analyzed, you can go ahead and send an email. Okay. So the trigger is right here. And once this is done, basically that creates a whole workflow and a proper automation that you can use in your business, and you can execute your workflow right here. Now, this is a complete system, not just basic automation. It has good error handling with error nodes as well. So if I execute the workflow, as you can see, it will let me know the errors and how I'm going to fix them with proper retry logic. You can also scale your workflows by duplicating and modifying it. And there's a lot of common mistakes people make, like overcomplicating their workflows or skip testing, which is something you should not do. So now you know how to build advanced workflows using n8n and replace tools like Zapier completely. If you apply this, you're not just automating, you're building systems. So if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.